The next row is just the same as the previous row. What we do, we increase here at every corner, and we decrease in these places, you know, where the basket goes down. Here. How do we do that? Again, we need to find the 3 central chains, rather, I would say. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3. Look, 1, 2, 3. This is where you need to decrease. 1, 2, 3. You see? 1, 2, 3 here. After having done 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you get the, because don't look here. Here you will actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because this counts as 1. This decrease here counts as 1, all right? Because it has the common top. That's why it's basically this decrease and 2 double crochets from the side. This is where you decrease. Now, again and again, the same thing. You increase like that. You make the second double crochet. Then you work all the way through here. Two, 3, 4, and 5, like that. Okay, and now you already need to decrease here, because look, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are the central 3 that we need to decrease. And you do 1, and you don't finish it. 2, and you don't finish it. And 3, and again, you don't finish it. All of the 4 on the hook you join, just like that. And you continue on the other side. Like that. You see? This is the second row. What we did, we found again the three central double crochets, right? Why central? Because this decrease here counts as 1 here, 1 here. The 3 central ones, we decrease them like that. Okay? You continue crocheting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you make 2, 2, 2. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are 1, 2, and 3 central double crochets, the ones you need to decrease. And you do just the same, and I see you right here at the end of the row. And now we can end up this row by again joining it like that. So let's see what we got. And you know, I'm just thinking, what would I put here? And feels like I need tangerines, no? So let me show you how it looks. Like that. And like that. And like that. Now, for me, how high it is enough. For you, you might add one more row or two more rows, but I would say that with this thickness of yarn, maybe one more would be more than enough. Here seems like it's already okay, you know, for me personally. If I try to put, let's say, a ball of yarn here, it's all right. Or maybe what else? Maybe some coasters. It's okay already, you see. Maybe some nuts here. Maybe what else? Maybe some what? Some headbands, rings. No, probably it's too big.